नमस्ते एवरीवन। आज बात करते हैं हम एसिडिटी एंड अल्कलाइनिटी। बिग क्वेश्चन, लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन। व्हाट इज एसिडिटी, व्हाट इज अल्कलाइनिटी? मुझे एसिडिटी हो गई है, मुझे तकलीफ हो रही है। लेट मी क्लैरिफाई दिस। अल्कलाइनिटी एंड एसिडिटी, दे आर बोथ इक्वली प्रेजेंट इन आवर बॉडी। ओके, हमारा शरीर दोनों से बना है। Our body is more than 70% water. Okay, and the level of water is 7.4 plus alkaline in nature. So the alkaline level of water in our body is 7.4 plus pH level. What that means is you have acid in your body, so that it helps to digest all the food which you consume. And the alkalinity in your body, it holds on to all the minerals and the vitamins. It makes sure that they go all across in your body very well, and it is of course able to do all its functions correctly. It reaches everywhere where it is required through blood. Now if you do not consume the right water, यानी कि क्या, जिसका pH लेवल 7.4 प्लस नहीं है, अगर आप इस तरह का पानी रोज पिएंगे तो चाहे आप 2 लीटर पिए या 5 लीटर पिए, इट डज नॉट मैटर. व्हाट मैटर्स इज यू आर ड्रिंकिंग द रॉन्ग वाटर. योर वाटर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एन आरओ फिल्टर, अगर आप आरओ का फिल्टर का पानी पी रहे हैं, यू आर ड्रिंकिंग बेसिकली न्यूट्रल वाटर. Neutral, or you can probably say dead water, because the pH level of that water is 6. Is it giving you the alkalinity? नहीं. अगर आप वही पानी बार बार पिएंगे, another one is also packaged drinking water, not mineral water, packaged drinking water. इस तरह का पानी, उसका pH level भी 6 होता है. इस तरह का पानी अगर आप रोज कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, whether it is in your office, whether in your homes, तो ज़रा आप सोचिए, आपको अल्कलाइनिटी मिल नहीं रही है, और आपके बॉडी को, मेरे बॉडी को, हम सबके बॉडी को भगवान ने इतने अमेजिंग तरीके से बनाया है कि आप बॉडी फंक्शंस बाय इटसेल्फ टू मेक श्योर दैट इट बिकम्स अल्कलाइन इन नेचर बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे. ओके, इट रिमेन्स अल्कलाइन. Now if you're not giving it alkaline water and alkaline foods, how will it maintain the pH level of the body? It's simple. It will start taking the minerals and vitamins from the different organs of your body. So jahan the minerals and vitamins keep getting stored so that they can be utilized on a daily basis, your body starts taking it from there so that it can make your body alkaline in nature. And if this process goes on for a long time, that's when we start getting deficiencies. And instead of trying to improve our alkaline level by drinking the right water, by eating the right foods, what do? We simply go towards supplements. Those supplements which are of no use to our body, but we go ahead and we try to take supplements. Now let me tell you something extremely important. If you want to improve the alkaline level of your body, what will you do? You will start drinking good water, यानी कि आप alkaline पानी पिएंगे जिसका लेवल होगा 7.4 प्लस. दूसरा, आप alkaline foods खाएंगे. तो alkaline foods कौन से हैं? The foods which are very high, which are 7.4 plus. What are those foods? Lemon, orange, all the melons, broccoli. Then we also have all the green leafy vegetables. They all are very high on their alkaline levels. Along with those, we also have apple cider. Then we have what else? Tomatoes. And there are so many more foods and vegetables actually that I can say. Let me just have a look in my notes. We have guava. Why am I forgetting? We have coconut. Yes, coconut oil, coconut milk, fresh coconut. They are all very high on their alkalinity. Other fruits we could have mango, banana, papaya. These are also excellent in their alkaline levels. and of course they are easily available. Don't forget, having fruits which are not in season will create acidity. What does that mean? It is not that your acid level is going up. It means that your alkaline level is coming down. So when you want to maintain it, you just have to eat alkaline foods. And to do that, there are few things which you definitely have to avoid, because those destroy the alkaline level in your water. What are those? 1 is iodized salt, 2 sugar, 3 refined oil, 4 is white flour. White flour means maida, wheat. These completely destroy the alkaline level of your body. And the biggest problem of having a non-alkaline body is stress levels. Trust me, don't take this lightly, because when your alkalinity goes down, आप मुझे बताइए, आपको acidity होती है, do you feel okay? Can you say कि I am perfectly fine? Or will you be like, oh God, I have acidity? Will you be able to work correctly? Will you be able to do anything right? No. When your alkalinity goes down, आपका बॉडी उसको मेंटेन करने के लिए मिनरल्स एंड विटामिन्स आपके बॉडी से वापस एक्सट्रैक्ट करेगा. Ultimately, you will have stress. Your brain will not work correctly. Your organs will not work right. At the end of it, you will fall into depressions and you will have lots of anxiety. You will not be able to work to your maximum potential. Children will not be able to study as much as they can. They will not have as much energy as they should. So there are various problems that you will face. And of course, you will make out how, because of few things. 1, attitude change. 2, food change. 3, sleep change. So pay attention to what's really going on, and then you will be able to make out that yes, whether my body is alkaline in nature or non-alkaline in nature. There are very easy ways of getting an alkaline filter. I will definitely put down the number of people who you can get in touch with to get an alkaline filter for your home. I've been using it, and trust me, one of the best things that happened to me after I started using alkaline water is that I became thyroid free. Yes, thyroid free, absolutely thyroid free, because I started on alkaline water. So if you want to be illness free, disease free, stress free, then move to alkaline water and alkaline foods. Thank you and happy healing.